Underpower video demonstration of the 4.3-inch diameter Milltronic HBM 4 horizontal table type CNC boring mill, new in 2011, serial number 1132. This machine has a Fanuc 18IM control, 50 taper with a 60 station chain-driven automatic tool changer. We're just going to kind of do a walk around right now of the machine, and then we're going to move the axes. Just doing a short walk around of the machine. Running the spindle right now at 1,000 RPMs. There's the 18i MB control. Now we're just extending the spindle out so that you can see it move. They're actually in the plant where they'll come out of. Okay, we're just moving the X-axis. Running at 3,000 RPM. We're going to drop it to 2. 1,000 RPMs. .500 RPMs. Back up to 3 or whatever you're doing. That's back to 3,000 RPMs. We're just moving the y-axis. This concludes our under power video demonstration of the Milltronic HBM 4 CNC table type horizontal boring mill, 30 horsepower, 2-speed geared head. There's also in the control, besides the Fanuc 18IMB, there's also part probing. There's Renishaw part probing, but there are no probes with the machine, but there is part probing capability in the control.